Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Studio tutorial 115, and today's topic is how to add a single dot animation in data flow diagram in Airline Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select Cloud Concept SketchUp, because if in Airline Studio, if you want to create a data flow diagram, we generate it using Concept SketchUp. Now I have already generated the data flow diagram for my use case, which is an online shopping system, and this diagram got generated for me in just 15 to 20 seconds. Now if you want to showcase animation, kindly go to this animation panel, click on it, and you would see a single dot animation. Enable it, and you would see a dot would be going around between the edges to showcase this thing, that what is the flow of the diagram. Now if you want to change the dot size, you can do it from here. If you want to update the color, you can do it from here. If you want to change the glow color, you can do it from here. If you want to change the glow intensity, you can do it from here. If you want to change the animation speed, you can do it from here. So basically, adding a single dot animation in AI Line Studio helps you to make your data flow diagrams more interactive and easy to understand. So this is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.